Today we see ecology and the basics of ecology. Ecology is one of the important branch of science which is also called as environmental biology. The name ecology is derived from two Greek words, that is oikos meaning house and logos meaning to study. So, ecology is defined as it is the branch of science deals with the study of interrelationship in between organisms with their surrounding environment. Is called as ecology. The scientist E.P. Odum in 1963 defined ecology as a structure and function of nature. The another one scientist, that is Ernest Haeckel, in 1866 defined ecology as a branch of science which deals with the total relationship of organisms to both their organic and inorganic environment. Now we shift towards the subdivisions of ecology. There are two subdivisions of ecology, that is autoecology and synecology. The first one is autoecology. Autoecology is the branch of ecology deals with the study of an individual organism or individual species with special reference to its life history and behavior to the environment. For example, to study the life history and behavior of wall lizard. This is called as autoecology, means to study the individual organism. Then next one is synecology. Synecology is the branch of ecology that deals with the study of group of organisms which are associated together as a unit. For example, synecological study of aquatic communities like river, lake or forest ecosystem. It means synecology means the study of group of organism. Then next point is environment. Environment means everything that affects or surrounds an organism during its lifetime is collectively known as its environment. It also defined as the conditions surrounding an organism is called as environment. The environment comprises of both biotic, that is living, and abiotic, that is non-living factors. Biotic means it includes plants and animals. These are the examples of biotic components. Then abiotic components, that is air, water and soil. Now in ecology there are levels of organization. So there are generally 6 levels of organization in ecology has been observed. First one is individual, second is population, third one is community, fourth is ecosystem, fifth one is biomes and sixth one is biosphere. Now one by one we study. So first is individual. Individual means organism is an individual living being that has ability to act or function independently. Now, what is species? Species are a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of exchanging genes or of interbreeding. For example, Homo sapiens, that is humans, are the species. Human is a species. Now, the second organization is population. Population is a group of individuals or a particular species or kind present at a particular area at a specific given time is called as population. Number of individuals per unit area at a given time is termed as population density. Now the third is community. What is community? Community is a local association of several populations of different species. The scientist Krebs in 1972, a community is an assemblage of the populations of living organisms in a prescribed area or habitat. Communities in most instances are named after the dominant plant form, that is species. For example, a grassland community is dominated by grasses, though it may contain herbs, shrubs and trees along with associated insects and animals of different species. It means what? Community is a local association of several populations which having the different species. Okay. Then community technically termed as a biota or biotic community. Next is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is defined as interrelationship in between living and non-living organism is called as ecosystem. Next is biomes. The biomes are the terrestrial part of biosphere is divisible into numerous regions known as biomes. So, from biomes we study the biosphere. What is biosphere? Biosphere is the biological component of Earth which includes the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. The biosphere includes all living organisms on Earth together with the dead organic matter produced by them. Biosphere includes many distinct ecosystems such as tropical evergreen forest, tropical and temperate deciduous forest, grassland, deserts, tundras, etc. and also includes aquatic ecosystems. Here we see the diagram of biosphere which includes atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Thank you.